Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the EasySpeak English Podcast, the place where learning English feels simple, enjoyable, and natural. I am Claudia, your host today.
Hi, Claudia, and a warm hello to all our wonderful listeners out there. It's always a pleasure to chat with you.
It's fantastic to be here. John, I notice you're grinning from ear to ear today. What's making you so joyful?
I really am in a great mood. Guess why? Is it something to do with that strong coffee we're drinking?
Coffee is always helpful, but I think it's more than that. Let me guess. Is it the time of year?
Exactly. Take a look at the calendar. It's late December. The year is wrapping up soon.
Yes, the end of the year is here. This period always feels so special and full of excitement for everyone.
I completely agree. I adore this season. But first, before we dive into our personal plans,
We have a small request for our listeners. If you're enjoying these conversations and picking up new English along the way, please give this episode a like. It supports us a lot.
absolutely. And don't forget to subscribe to the Easy Speak English Podcast. Become part of our growing family.
Share it with friends too. Practicing English together makes it even more fun.
Thanks, everyone. Now, back to the holidays. Claudia, this time of year has such a magical vibe, doesn't it?
It truly does. Lights twinkling everywhere, people smiling more. But tell me, John, what's the main reason you're extra happy right now?
Besides the general magic, it's the upcoming break, time away from the daily routine.
The holiday vacation. We often call it holidays or time off. For many, it means sleeping in without any alarm buzzing.
No alarm clock, pure bliss. That's my favorite part. Honestly, Claudia, I'm pretty tired after all the hard work this year.
Yeah, we both are. We've created so many podcast episodes teaching vocabulary, phrases, and stories.
True, and now I just want to relax deeply, maybe catch up on sleep.
Sleep as the top priority? Sounds like a solid plan. But you also enjoy the overall holiday spirit, right?
Definitely. The beautiful decorations, the colorful lights on streets and houses, reds, greens, golds shining brightly.
And the cheerful music playing in shops and malls. It creates such a festive atmosphere. Festive is a useful word. It describes something joyful, celebratory, and energetic.
Perfect explanation. So, when does your work break officially start?
My last working day is this Friday. After that, freedom.
Same for me. We're having a fun little party at the office on Friday.
Office parties are great, usually with tasty treats like cake and holiday cookies.
Yes, and conversations about everything except work emails and deadlines.
That's refreshing. Any big travel plans after the party?
No traveling for me this year. I'm opting for a staycation, staying in my city, and spending quality time with family.
Staycation is a fun word blend of stay and vacation. Family gatherings are indeed the heart of the holidays.
My family has a big traditional dinner. My mom prepares an enormous roasted turkey.
Yum! Turkey is classic holiday food.
Yeah, with heaps of roasted potatoes, fresh vegetables, and homemade apple pie for dessert.
That apple pie sounds irresistible. Mind if I join? What holiday dishes do you prepare?
Of course, you're welcome. I love baking. I make batches of chocolate chip cookies and spicy gingerbread ones.
Gingerbread has that amazing cinnamon and spice smell. It instantly feels like the holidays.
The aroma of fresh baking warms the whole house.
Um, Besides eating delicious food, what else is on your holiday agenda?
Watching my favorite, old holiday films. I watch the same ones every year.
That's called a tradition, a meaningful custom repeated annually.
I get cozy on the sofa with a slice of pie, laugh at the funny parts, and just unwind.
Simple, stress-free relaxation. Holidays should be calm and peaceful.
But you have so much energy, Claudia. Do you spend time napping on the couch?
Not at all. I'm escaping to the beach for some sun and sea.
The beach in December? Oh, right. It's summer in your part of the world.
Yes, hot and sunny. Swimming in the ocean will be so refreshing.
My sister and I booked a little house right by the water.
Perfect. Planning any beach barbecues?
Definitely. Grilling fresh seafood and veggies outdoors.
Such contrasting celebrations. Your cozy indoor traditions versus my sunny outdoor fun.
Both are equally special. Diversity in how people celebrate is what makes it interesting.
Do you shop for gifts, John?
Yes, I do, for family and close friends.
You seem a bit overwhelmed by it.
Gift choosing can be challenging, especially for someone who already has everything.
Like funny socks with silly patterns?
Actually, that's not bad. Practical yet fun.
Shopping centers are packed now with crowds.
I avoid the rush and buy most gifts online.
I prefer creating handmade ones, like decorating boxes of homemade cookies.
Yeah, those are the most meaningful. They show effort and come straight from the heart.
Plus, they're kinder on the wallet. Holidays can add up financially.
I make them, but keep them realistic and simple.
Resolutions are personal promises or goals for self-improvement in the coming year. Examples?
Things like drinking more water daily walking regularly, or reading more books.
Healthy and achievable. What about you?
I'm finally going to learn to play the guitar properly.
That's exciting. I own a guitar, but it mostly sits unused in the corner.
Next year, I'll dedicate time to practicing.
You can definitely do it with consistent effort.
We've covered holidays, delicious foods, gift ideas, traditions, and future goals. It's a rich, meaningful time.
A moment to appreciate what we have and feel grateful.
I'm grateful for good friends, family, our podcast team, and especially you, Claudia.
That's sweet. I'm thankful for you too, and for our dedicated listeners who practice English so diligently.
They truly deserve some rest now.
Yes, take it easy during the holidays. Enjoy English movies or songs as light practice.
Fun and effective learning.
Our time is almost up, but that was an enjoyable discussion.
I feel even more excited for the holidays now.
Me too. To summarize quickly, John plans rest, family meals, cozy movies, and guitar practice.
And Claudia heads to the beach for sun, swimming, and barbecues.
Wonderful plans all around.
We're curious about you listeners. Traditions vary so much worldwide.
Some prefer snowy winters, others sunny summers.
Please comment below. What are your end-of-year activities? Special meals, travel, cozy home time, or beach adventures?
We read every comment and love your stories.
More episodes coming next year. Stay subscribed.
Share this with loved ones during your celebrations.
Thank you for joining us today.
Have a joyful, safe, and relaxing holiday season.
Happy holidays, everyone.
And don't forget, join us tomorrow at 7 p.m. for the next episode. See you then. Bye.